Welcome. You are watching the Middle School Admissions video series. In this video, we will help you understand how middle school offers are made, specifically for programs with a diversity and admissions priority, or DIA priority for short. What does a DIA priority mean? Each middle school program has a specific number of available seats. When a program has more applicants than seats, it uses admissions priorities and randomly assigned numbers to determine who gets offers. When a school, or even a whole district, is participating in a diversity and admissions initiative, this means the school, or each school in the district, offers a priority to DIA eligible groups of students for a certain portion of its seats. You can look up any program in My Schools to see what this portion is and which student groups have priority to attend the school. So, who is eligible for a DIA priority? Groups of students who are eligible may include students from low-income families, students in temporary housing, and students who are learning English. Let's look at how offers are made. This is called the placement process. First, each student is assigned a random number. Then, DIA eligible applicants are selected for prioritized seats first. If there are more DIA eligible applicants than prioritized seats, offers are made to students in order by their random numbers, beginning with number 1 until the prioritized seats are filled. Then, all remaining applicants, both remaining DIA eligible students and all other students, are then selected for available seats based on their random numbers. This means that students with stronger random numbers are placed at the school until all seats are filled. Let's look at an example. This program has 10 seats available, and it has a priority for the first 50% of seats to DIA eligible students. 50% of 10 is 5, so the first 5 seats are prioritized for DIA eligible students, while the remaining 5 seats will not use this priority. Let's say 15 students have applied, 8 DIA eligible students, and 7 other students. First, a computer program assigns every applicant a random number. As you can see, students are numerically ordered within their group. Then, offers can be made. Now, because of the DIA priority, offers are made to DIA eligible students first. As mentioned before, this program prioritizes the first 50% of seats for DIA eligible students, so 5 offers are made to DIA eligible students with the strongest random numbers. For the 5 remaining seats, all other applicants are considered in order of their randomly assigned numbers. As you can see, offers to this group went to both DIA eligible students and non-DIA eligible students. Students who did not receive an offer will automatically be added to the program's waitlist and will be considered for the next program on their application. The example we just saw considers only what happens at one program. But remember, families apply to multiple programs and list those programs on their applications in their true orders of preference. The programs that different families list and the order in which they list them vary. This means some students might have listed another program higher on their application and received an offer there, taking them out of line for programs listed lower on their application. So in our example, let's say that students 5, 7, and 10 all received offers to programs they listed higher on their applications. These students, shown here now in gray, are then removed from this program's applicant line, as they are no longer taking available seats at this school. How does that change the offers to this program? Starting again with DIA eligible students, the first 4 offers would now go to students 1, 3, 6, and 8. The next randomly assigned number among DIA eligible students is 9, so student 9 will receive an offer for the 5th seat. For the remaining 50% of seats, there are now 3 seats available. The next 3 randomly assigned numbers across all applicants are 11, 12, and 13. So students 11, 12, and 13 will now receive offers. Students 14 and 15 still did not receive an offer, so they will be automatically waitlisted to this program and will be considered for the next program on their application. If there are fewer DIA eligible applicants than the number of prioritized seats, all DIA eligible applicants will receive an offer. Then, all other applicants will be considered for all remaining seats. If there are more non-DIA eligible applicants than remaining seats, students with stronger random numbers are placed at the school until all seats are filled. Let's look at the same program, but with a different applicant pool. This program still has 10 seats available, and it prioritizes the first 50% of seats to DIA eligible students. Let's say 11 students have applied, 4 DIA eligible students, and 7 other students. Our first step is still to use a computer program to assign every applicant a random number. And again, students are ordered numerically within their group, and then offers are made. Offers are still made to DIA eligible students, but now there are only 4 DIA eligible applicants. In this situation, all 4 DIA eligible applicants will receive an offer. Then, since there are still 6 seats remaining out of the 10 total available seats, 6 offers are made to the remaining applicants. As you can see, fewer than 50% of offers went to DIA eligible applicants, since there are only 4 DIA eligible students who applied to this program. However, all 4 DIA eligible students did receive offers before the remaining seats were offered to non-DIA eligible students. In this case, student 11 did not receive an offer to this program, so they will automatically be waitlisted here and will be considered for the next program on their application. So, what does this mean for me as I fill out my application? You should fill out your application by listing program choices in your true order of preference. Should I try to strategize and place larger schools or less in-demand schools at the top of my application? No. If you do not match to your top choice, you will then be considered for your next choice at no disadvantage for placing it second. If you have a stronger random number than another student in the same priority group who listed that school first, you will receive a placement before that other student. After listing your favorite program on your application, consider learning about and adding additional programs of interest. Adding additional programs below your favorite programs will not lower your chances of matching to your favorite program. The matching process is designed specifically to allow families to list programs in their genuine, true order of preference. Watch our other videos to learn more about middle school's admissions, including how to explore schools and programs in My Schools and how to apply.